Hi guys, it's Miss Vanetta. Hope you're having a good day, and I'm here to do your math lesson with y'all today. All right, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you a video about what we've been learning, okay? So pay attention and pause the video if you have any questions. All right.
Hey, Joey, what are you doing?
Oh, hi there, Professor Burger. I'm just working on my invention here. I think I've perfected it. Shall we try it?
I'd be delighted to. It looks amazing.
Okay, all you have to do is put it on my head.
Okay. Wow, are you sure this is safe?
Of course it's safe. It uses the wireless technology, just like your computer or your cell phone. Okay, now press any button on the remote control.
Okay, here I go.
Professor Burger, ¿qué pasó? Hablo español. What's going on?
Sorry there, I hit the Spanish button.
That was neat.
I'll tell you what, why don't we answer this math riddle together the traditional way?
Okay, could you take my helmet off first?
Oh, sure, of course. Wow,
Thank
that is
you.
so neat. Okay, this is a really exciting thing I want to share with you because we are now going to talk about something really new, some new math stuff.
Oh, I love new stuff.
I thought you'd get a real kick out of this. Check this out. Look how fancy this is. Here's a phrase I want us to think about. It's called an expression, and it says 1 plus 4.
1 plus 4.
Exactly. And plus is going to be the word that's going to replace and. We used to say 1 and 4.
1 and 4 plus.
And we're going to now use plus. This is kind of the math secret code that we use. And there's some symbols that go along with it. You want to see the math symbols?
Yeah, of course I do.
So you know 1 and you know 4.
Of course.
And for plus, what we're going to use is this really cool symbol. You see that symbol right there?
Those two things mean the same thing.
Exactly right. And look how tiny and easy it is to write the second one. That's why we like the second one sometimes.
Yeah, I'm going to like that a lot.
Okay, now let's see if we can see what this means by using two color counters to model this expression. So this is called an expression, and we want to now model it. And so let's use, of course, our famous friend, the 5 frame. So first I want to do is I'll model the 1 using a red counter. So just 1 red counter.
Right.
And there it is.
Cool.
And now what I want to do is I want to model the 4, and I'll use a yellow counter. So we're using 2 different color counters.
Oh, I get it.
So we can see the 2 numbers. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there they all are. That represents the 4 there.
Hey, you know what?
What?
All of those things say the same thing, right?
Once I do this, that's a great point, and it happens once I do that.
Oh,
So you're absolutely right, Joey. That was brilliant.
that's so cool.
So these all say the same thing. And now let's actually figure out what the answer is.
Great.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a new 5 frame and try to now put all these things together. So I'm going to have the 1 red.
Right.
And now, or I could say, and I'm going to add the 4 yellow. Now you count that one. That was the 1 yellow.
1 yellow, 2 yellows, 3 yellows, 4 yellows.
That's exactly right. And so now, when we add them, we see how many there are in all. And how many there are there in all, it fills up this little frame, so that must mean it's...
Oh, and that's a 5 frame, so it's 5.
That's right. So 1 plus 4 is 5. And you know how we write that? Check it out.
Show me.
You're going to love this.
1 plus 4. What's that? Those lines mean?
That means the same or it means equal. So 1
Ah.
plus 4 equals 5, or 1 plus 4 is 5. And that's the same thing as we used to say when we'd say 1 and 4 is 5.
You know what?
What?
Math puzzles are my favorite.
Well, that is awesome, and you just do so great at it, Joey. I love it.
Hey, will you help me with my invention now that we solved that puzzle?
I would love to. What can I do? What can I do?
Okay, well, put it on my head again.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah, and then we're gonna try another button.
Okay, I got the remote control. You ready for another button?
Ready?
Here I go. I hit reverse.
Whoa, is that? It was awesome. Try it again.
Have fun with math.
No, hurry up.
We'll see you soon.
She knows without a reader.
All right, guys, did you see that? Then modeling 1 plus 4 equals 5. That's the same thing as 1 and 4 is 5. All right, guys, we need to go to page 311 in our math book, and this is what it looks like. This right here, page 311 in our math book. And you can pause the video if you need to, okay? All right, so we've got some counters here again. So, how many yellow counters do we have? We have 2. Very good. 2 yellow counters. All right, and what does that T mean? What did he tell us that T means? It means plus. Okay, it means plus. All right, now how many red counters do we have? 2. All right, now should look like that. Now go count how many of the counters we have in all. How many counters do we have in all? Right, we have 4. 4 counters in all. Just like that. All right, great job, guys. Oh, the next one's kind of tricky. It's going to try to trick you. All right, let's look at the next one. How many yellow counters do we have? Tricky, tricky, tricky. How many yellow counters do we have? We have 0. So we put a 0 right there in our first spot. Okay, just like that, because there's 0 yellow. Okay. What does that T mean? We just talked about it. What does that T mean? It means plus. Very good. All right. How many red counters do we have? How many red? We have 5. 5 red. So we have 0 plus 5. So how many counters do we have in all? That means go count them all. Yes, we have 5. 5 counters in all. So the 5 needs to go right here. All right, go ahead and flip over to the next page. All right, we got a problem we got to solve. Okay, here we go. All right, there are 5 apples on the table, okay? 3 apples are red and 2 apples are green. Okay, so let's write this number and figure out this problem, okay? It's trying to trick us. Okay, so how many apples are red? So how many apples did I say are red? 3, okay? 3 apples are red. So like that. We need to write the number 3. Now, what does that T mean right there? That little lowercase t. It means plus, okay? Now, how many did I say are green? How many green apples? Two green apples. So there's our problem right there. 3 plus 2 equals, all right, so look, I'm going to hold my fingers up and I'm going to show you 3 red, 2 green. Put them together. How many do you get? How many fingers am I holding up? 5. Very good. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Yes. All right, there we go. All right, we've got some puppy dogs and some teddy bears at the bottom. Here we go. Let's see what it wants us to do. All right. So it wants us to tell me how many toy animals are there. How many animals are there? That's the dogs and the cats. No, I'm sorry, the dogs and the teddy bears, okay? How many dogs and teddy bears do we have? We have 4. So which one is 4? Which one is it? Is it the first one or the second one? It's the first one. Very good. You can bubble in or circle. Just like that. All right. Great job, guys. All right. All right, guys, that is it for our lesson today. If you have any questions, just send me a message on Seesaw, okay? And you need to do pages 313 and 314 by yourself. And when you're done, send me a picture, okay, so I can see how you're doing. All right, I hope y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.